How do you ensure your customer safety from overhead infrastructure failures? With advanced technology, facility managers can now assess their infrastructure from a new perspective. See everything you can from the ground and identify potential problems. Facilities that will benefit include indoor water parks, conference centers, high bay warehouses, sports complexes, stadiums, arenas, and many more. Passero Associates presents ReadyVIS, a full suite of services including custom software solutions allowing facility management and staff to see their facilities as they've never before. This indoor drone, flown by commercially licensed drone pilots, is capable of reaching the most inaccessible areas of your facility, ending the hassle and cost of conventional facility inspection labor and equipment. A simple yet powerful user interface allows your facility management staff to view the data they need with minimal effort. Users customize which data is displayed according to their particular needs. The facility model and the information displayed are completely interactive. Click on what you want to view and it appears. Use the intuitive controls to quickly get what you want without looking through hard copy records or scrolling through emails. View HD videos and images captured during drone flight. Save snapshots to your device or send them to the printer to assist in repair or maintenance. ReadyVIS, virtual infrastructure solutions from Passero Associates.